This is our ultrasonic 6-meter level transmitters. Now we are demonstrating the calibration. How to calibrate the ultrasonic level transmitters. This is the key arrangement, and have you seen that there is some initiates are marked A1, A2, T and E2, E3. Basically there are 4 modes: T, E2, E3, A1 and A2. Basically these 4 modes are used for selection. Now first we do the selection of operation. A1 is a falling mode, A2 is a rising mode, E2, E3 is mode of selection, and A1 plus A2 is used for zero deadband, and T is used for save. Now we will demonstrate one by one. Now place the key in E2, E3 direction. Now we are placing, have you seen that E2, E3 is a arrow part is in the direction of notch, right? Basically this A1 mode is blinking, right? Now we are removing the key again, right? And again we place a key in the arrow of E2 and E3, because we are not using the A1 mode, we want to A2 mode. So can you see that A1 plus A2 both are blinking? That is, this mode is indicates it is a zero deadband mode. Now we are not using that. Now again remove the key, and we are placing again in E2 and E3 directions. Now only A2 mode is blinking. I want to require this mode, so again remove the key and placing T. T is using for save the operation mode. Now this is the setting of operation modes. After complete this procedure, now don't remove the key. First turn off the device and then remove the key. Now we are switch off the device. Now this, and we remove that key, and again we are connecting the power supply. Now how to tease the ultrasonic level transmitters. Now again first we are teaching the 4 milliampere, and then again we are teaching the 20 milliampere. Now we are placing the A1 for first distance. This is our first distance of ultrasonic. Now we are removing this key, and now moving the second object and placing the A2. This is our second object. Now the object will be teased. Then again we are placing the T for saving purpose. Now this is the procedure is completed. Again we turn off the power supply. And remove that key, and again we power on the supply, and now check the output. Now this is our, it is in current milliampere mode. Now you will get 20 milliampere, right? Now nearby the instrument, you will get the 4 milliampere output. Okay, thank you.